last year. He's sponsored by RT Rentals out of Grand Prairie. Lining up these drivers for you one more time. Barrel number 4, Les Weaver. And the Battle River Oil Field coming to barrel number 3. It's Roy Romano driving under the sponsorship of Underground Enterprises. At barrel number 2, Dallas Loungeman for a full spectrum of line locating. And at barrel number 1, Wendell Ridsdale, RT Rentals. Heat 1 is about to be run.
And the horn goes on a little bit of a rodeo out there for Small Spectrum, but he's going around. Look at Wendell Ridsdale go. This is a dandy. Now Les Weaver had the second fastest time last night. But he's not going to give it to him. Now there, he's overstanding right now. But way on in front is the Didsbury Demon, Roy Romano, for Underground Enterprises. He's having a race. Now when he gets out there, he's got a team that can run hard on the backstretch. He's going to hold on to this just as long as he can, and hopefully all the way around to the end of the race. It's Roy Romano and Didsbury Demon in the lead as they come into the backstretch drive. Battle River Oil Field, and Les Weaver is on the outside. Now he plays a mean catch-up game, and that's what he's doing right now. RT Rentals is out there with Wendell Ridsdale, number 3 in the race right now, but he's got the danger of being boxed in as they're coming around. Does he have room to go by? Well, he says he does, because that's where he's going.